Guys, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are, all over the world. My name is Victor Anyanwu and they call me the social media oracle. They call me the social media oracle because I always leave you with an answer. If I don't have an answer, then I know who does. If you come to me with any issue, there must be a solution. You can't just come and leave the same way you came. All right? There must be a solution. That's why they call me the social media oracle. All right? So you're welcome to my show. The show is called the Social Media SWAT Show. Right? SWAT stands for Strategies, Weapons, and Tactics. So the Social Media Strategies, Weapons, and Tactics Show. So here we talk about social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, all the social media platforms, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, online marketing, Google, name it. We talk about everything on this show. So if you're interested in sponsoring this show, please let us know. The show reaches several people all over the world. It goes on YouTube, goes on Instagram, goes on Facebook, goes across all my networks, goes to my email list. So several people all over the world, right? So if you are sponsoring this show, you can imagine how many people you will be reaching with your message. So if you're interested in sponsoring, please let me know. Send me a message, talk to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 234-8177-10-8267. You can send me a message on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. All right. I am at the Oracle VA. At TheOracleva. Today we're talking about something very, very important. The thing we talk about all the time. But today's one is very, very important. All right. It's when I see people doing marketing, right? Everybody is trying to reach a customer that will buy now. Do you understand? So you are marketing and your ad is running for 2 days. Your ad is running for 3 days. You understand? Because you want to get to the customer that wants to buy now. All right? The customer that wants to buy now, want to buy now. All right? But do you know that there are about 3 types of customers? 3. So you have those that want to buy now. You have those that want to buy later now. You have those that want to buy future now. All right? So there are those that want to buy now. There are those that want to buy later now, and those that want to buy future now. This group, about 5%, maybe 3 to 5, right? This group, the largest group, about 60%, right? This group, about 40%. 60-40, no, let's say about, let's say 35, right? 35%. Let me clean that. It's about 35%. Now, I find that there are more of these people, the later guys, ready to buy. These guys, let's say, 1 month, maybe 1 month to 6 months. These guys, let's say 6 months and above, right? 6 months and above. Greater than 6 months, that's the future guys, right? These guys, let's say 1 month to 6 months. These guys now. But they are very small. The now guys are a very small percentage, 5. Really small. The later guys are more, all right? About 1 month to 6 months, they will buy from you. 30 days to the next 6 months, they will buy from you, right? They are large. They are about 60%. Okay? Now, these guys that are the future now guys, these guys that want to buy in the future greater than 6 months, they're about 35%. Okay? But most people, when they are selling, they want to sell to these people. Right? So most adverts that you see are trying to sell to these guys, to this group. Alright? You have any advert that you see that the person is running 3 to 5 days. All those adverts that you see, 3 to 5 days adverts, alright, actually trying to sell to this group. Alright? The problem that you have is with this group, it's always very expensive, right? I'm telling you, always very, very expensive. So one of the reasons why you have very expensive ads is because you're trying to target the now guys. Very, very expensive group. Because these guys are small. So because they are small, they are seeing several offers like your own. They're interested in buying a shoe. They are seeing several people selling shoes. They're interested in buying a bag. They're seeing several people selling bags. They're interested in buying a car. They're seeing several people selling cars. They're interested in buying weave. Well, all those weave on hair, human hair and all of that. They're seeing several people selling that. Right? So because they're seeing several people selling that, they are taking their time. They're trying to decide, okay, is this person worth it? Does this person have the quality that I want? While they are deciding that, their price continues to go up. What do I mean by their price continues to go up? It will cost you more to reach them the longer they stay, because you have more and more ads coming to them. You have more and more ads coming to them. More and more ads coming to them. So as they're putting in more and more ads, the people that are running those ads are increasing their budget. They're realizing that $1 is not working anymore. So the person is now saying, okay, I'm ready to pay $2. Another person is saying, okay, I've been doing $2 for a while. It's not working anymore. I'm ready to pay $5. All right. Another one is saying, I'm ready to pay $10. I just want to sell this thing. So these guys, all right, their value is increasing. You are paying a lot more to reach them. If somebody is paying $10 to reach and you are paying $1, who do you think will see the person more? It's those that are ready to pay 10. Right? So if you are paying $1, you will not. Do you understand? So you have to think about increasing your advert budget, thereby costing you more. Do you understand? Or you might now decide to target the later now guys. Right? You can now target the later now guys. You see these guys, they don't want to buy now. They want to buy later. Now, if you target them and you're running your ads and your ads just keep going, maybe $1, $2, just keep going. By the time these guys will be ready in about a month's time, they would only remember you. You understand? Because you have fed them with so much information, you have explained many things to them, they have seen content on what you are doing, they have seen the materials, you have shown how you can use them. So they have built that trust. All right, you have shown them other people that have bought from you, how they use the product. So they have built that trust. That trust is there. So by the time they want to buy, do you understand? They will remember, yeah, this guy, I've been seeing his ad all along. We have an established relationship. I've called him. I've spoken to him. He has spoken to me. All right, I am in his funnel. He talks to me all the time. He shows me the latest products. I want to deal with this guy. I want to deal with somebody I know. All right. Remember, buying is a what? Relationship. All right, selling and buying is a relationship. So these guys have built that relationship. By the time they are ready to buy, it will be these guys that will call you, and they didn't spend so much to do it. All right, always remember that anytime you are doing your marketing, right? Marketing, the whole idea of marketing is to get attention. You want to what? Get attention. Now you convert this attention to sales. Do you understand? You want to get attention that you will now convert to sales. Do you understand? That is what marketing is about. So it takes consistency. You have to keep appearing. You have to keep being in their face. I don't know whether you've heard of that thing, that saying that it takes about 7 to 9 touches. 7 to 9 touches before a client decides to buy from you. All right? So sometimes when you see somebody buying from you, it doesn't mean that that is the first time the person is hearing from you. The person probably would have heard from you several times before. 7 to 9 touches before the person decides. All right? The person wants to experience you, wants to understand, wants to know if you are actually what you are saying you are. If you are the type that he buys from you today, then tomorrow your Instagram account disappears. He wants to know. All right? So that is why it is not the day they hear from you that they decide. Do you understand? So anytime you get anyone communicating with you at any point in time, make sure that person is entering the funnel. Make sure that person enters a funnel, right? A funnel where they saw your message the first time, they became aware of you, right? Then you put them in a funnel where they continuously hear about you, until the day they are ready to make that purchase. Do you understand what I'm saying? Right? So take time out. Anytime you're running your adverts, learn to focus on the guys that are here, the later now guys, right? The later now. I call it later now. People have different names that they call it, but this is what I call them. I call them the later now guys, right? They usually want to buy within 1 month to maybe 6 months, right? Try to target these guys. The more your targeting goes to these guys, the better your advert will convert, and there are a lot more. All right, look at it this way. Remember I told you that you have the now 5%, the later guys is about 60%, then the future guys, these ones are about 35%, right? Now imagine if this 60%, you have 10% of these ones buying from you. Wouldn't that be better than having 10% of these ones? Because these ones, 10%, it would have cost you a lot more, and their number would be a lot less, plus heavy competition at this level. Meanwhile, here, you have less competition. You have more people. So if you are getting these guys on your side, you're selling to more people. All right? So those that are in the long-term plan, all right, in the 1 month to 6 months plan of selling, usually we do way better than those that are in the sharp now plan. All right? So thank you so much for listening today. I hope I've been able to share some beautiful things with you. You can follow me across all social media platforms. This is my username, the Oracle VA. Then you have the sign there. So you have at TheOracleva across all social media platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, across all social media platforms. You can reach me at this. My WhatsApp number is 2348177108267. Please feel free to share this video, click like, subscribe to these videos, so that next time when I release more videos, you will see them. Subscribe, click the notification link. I consistently release videos every week. Next time when I release another video, you would see it if you are subscribed. Please subscribe, follow me across all social media platforms, invite your friends to join you, and next week I'll be sharing something also very, very interesting. Thank you for watching today. I am extremely grateful. Thank you, and see you next week. Remember, strategies win battles, not weapons. I love you. See ya.